Hello everyone. In this lecture, you will learn how to integrate AppLovin Max Mediation Ads Network into our Android project. So, to integrate AppLovin Ads, you should have a AppLovin account and you can create it by visiting applovin.com. Okay, press enter. Now I am already logged in. Okay, so it is showing me my dashboard. So after first of all you have to register and then login, and after login you have come back here and you will see a button create ad unit. You have to click on it. Okay, now first of all you have to give a name to your ad unit. Let's for example it's a banner ad we are want to creating. So let's add a banner ad. Okay, now select the platform. It our is Android app. So now we have to provide a package name. Okay, so go to your Android Studio, Gradle scripts, and go to app level build.gradle file and scroll up. And here is the application ID. Application ID or package name is same. Okay, so do not confuse about it. So just copy this one, your application ID or package name. Copy it by press Ctrl plus C and paste it here. After pasting it, it will search your app on the Play Store. If your app is not available on Play Store, then it will suggest you that it not found your app on Play Store. If you want to add it manually, then you have to select it here as it is showing, or click here to add app manually. Okay, so you have to create it. Click here. Now enter your package name. Now then select create. Okay, so once again let me tell you. After first of all you have to create a ad unit name like this, then select the platform which for which you app have created. We have created app for our Android platform, so let's select Android. Now after this you have to enter your app package name if it is your on Play Store. Okay, so enter the package name from your Android Studio. Package name is the your application ID. Okay, so do not confuse what is the package name or application ID. Both are same. Okay, so just copy this one and paste it here. Okay, after pasting, if your app is live on Play Store, then you have to click in this here button, and if it is not on Play Store, then you have to click here to adding it manually. Okay, so we are creating it here. Now after that you have to provide your application package name in this field, paste it here. Okay, our package name is com.krishnaapps.gamestore. Okay, fine. Now you have to click on create button. Okay, let's click on it. As you can see, our package name on Android platform has been created. Now you have to select a banner ad because we are entering a name related to banner ad. Okay, so select the ad type banner ad. Okay, now after that go down and you can add any ad network or ad manager account with AppLovin dashboard. It is very easy. Just you have to follow them. Okay, and now after come down, do not set any frequency or bit floor. ठीक है? Okay, now press save button. The saving button is it is showing that allow up to 32 seconds minutes to change it to be the reflected, because if you have integrated API into your project and ads not showing, so it means you have to give at least 30 to 60 minutes. Okay, now our app is go down. This is here com.krishna game store. Okay, fine. This is our banner ad id. Okay, ad unit id. Type is banner. Okay, and now we have to integrate after creating all the ads id. First of all, let's create ad id. Okay, now create a interstitial ad id. Go to again plus create ad unit. Now type interstitial ad. Okay, select platform Android. Enter your package name. Fine, select it. Now select interstitial. Okay, now go down and save. Our interstitial ad has been created. Now create a last one for reward ad. Okay, so name it reward ad. Okay, now select platform, enter package name, select the package name, and after that select rewarded. Okay, now go down and press save. Hope you understand. Now after creating ad unit, now we start integration of AppLovin SDK into our project. So you will find its full uh, project documentation into its your dashboard. After your username, you can find it here. A guide icon is there. You have to click it. Okay. Now after that you have to select Android because we are creating Android app. So select Android. After that, as you can see, we are working on the Java. So should select Groovy. Do not select Kotlin because we are not creating a Kotlin project. So do not select Kotlin. Okay, select Groovy. And after that, it is saying that we have to add the following things to app level build.gradle file. Okay, so copy this implementation like this. Go to our Android project. As I have told you before, the first build.gradle file is the project based. As you can see, it is written already project, and the other build.gradle file is the app level based. Okay, so you have to use dependency in the app level gradle file. Okay, so let's come down here and let's the as SDK. It here. Now, as you can see, there is a plus icon. So plus means we have, you can also use same as it is. It is not an issue. But I want to use a specific version. So how you can find which version is there? Simply, if you do not find a version here, what you can do, just simply remove this plus symbol and you have to type 1.0.0. Okay. Now give some times it to it. It will automatically suggest you. Just take some time. It is not suggesting. Okay, do not worry. Just make the changes undo. Okay, now hover it. It is also not saving any specific version. So just ignore it. You can use it for it now. Okay, no issue. Now let's go ahead and you can check we should use a Java 8 plus project. Okay, you can check it whether we are using or not. You can check we are also using by default. Okay, no issue to add this one. Now come down and you have to add this SDK key. If you are logging into your AppLovin account and then viewing your documentation, then it automatically showing your API key SDK key here. Okay, so do not think if you log in into your browser and with your account and goes to the document, documentation, then do not confuse that which SDK key is showing is there. It is actually your SDK key from your account. Okay. So I am logging into my account. So this is my account SDK key. Okay. So just simply copy this one. Okay. Now go to Android Studio. We have to paste it inside Android manifest file. Okay. Go to Android Studio and go to app. After inside this manifest, select this Android manifest.xml file. Go down and you have to paste it here before closing the application tag. Okay, it is done. Now go to other view. Now what we can do, now as you can see, we have to add these files in the root level build gradle file. Okay, now again do not confuse that it is showing root level build gradle file, but we do not have a root level. We have only project level and app level. So I will tell you that project level build gradle file is also known as root level. Okay. So do not confuse. Just copy these lines just by pressing this. Okay. Now go to Android Studio. Go to root level build file. Now you have to paste it after the plugins. Okay. Before the plugins. No, do not after the before the plugins. Okay, here paste it here. Okay, now it has been done. Also we have to change this plus sign with specific version, but again as you can see there is no specific version is showing. We will later find it. Okay, do not worry, but for now go ahead and now as you can see we have to add below lines into the app level build.gradle file. So just copy this one and go to Android Studio. Go to the app level build file, go down, and after dependency is closing, you have to paste it here. Okay, do not paste inside this dependency section. You have to paste it all the curly brackets closed. Okay, paste it here, and it is done. Now it is asking for initialize the SDK. So before initializing, we have to sync our projects. So let's start it sync. And one more thing is that sync time will now becomes 2 or 3 minutes or more depending on your computer's memory. Okay, so do not confuse and do not interrupt its process. First time it will take up to 30 minutes. Okay, so do not interrupt the process in the middle. Also your project will be crashed. Then again you have to create a project from scratch because it will not work uh, uh, after even a lot of hard work. Okay, so do not interrupt the process in the middle. So just leave it the project as it is till it's starting downloading files from the AppLovin SDK. So let me pause the video so that it will do not create a lengthy video. Okay, so let me pause the video. Hello everyone. Our build process has been completed in takes 10 minutes 44 seconds. Okay, so now let's do other steps. First of all, set a specific version on it. So hover on it, maybe it will show or not. So it is not showing a specific version. So try another way. Remove the plus sign and type 1.0.0. Okay. Now hover the again on it. Yes, again it is showing that a version available is Bharat 12.1.0. Okay, so we have to add this 12.0.1, maybe this one 1.0, sorry, 1.0. Okay, as you can see, our warning has been disappeared. Now go back to our root level build file and also hover on it, and there is no specific version showing, so do the same. Remove plus sign and type 100. Now hover again, and as you can see it is showing the version 50.7. Okay, so let's type 50.7. Okay, yes, warning disappeared. Now sync your projects again, and again it will take some time, so let me pause the video. Okay, it will take some time. So hello everyone, our build has been successful, as you can see. Now we have to initialize the SDK as per integration docs. So as you can see, there is initialize the SDK step. So let's follow it. You have to add this code inside your own create method inside the main activity. Main activity basically it's not the main activity which we have in our project. Let me tell you something more. Go to Java under your package name activity. As you can see, we have a main activity name. Okay, they are talking about the main activity, not the that and this is that activity which need to initialize first. Okay, it means the launcher activity, so that SDK get initialized first when application is launched. So here our launcher activity is the main activity. You can check in your any manifest file. As you can see here, this is our launcher, which is main activity. Okay, so you have to paste this code into your launcher activity. If your launcher activity is a any splash screen or any other, then you have to add this code to that activity. Okay, main activity note means the main activity. It means you have to paste the code in the launcher activity always. Okay, so let's start it. Copy this one. Copy, go to main activity because it's our launcher activity. So here we have to, after this code, you can add it here. Okay, inside on create method. Okay, now paste it here. Now keep the cursor on red words and press alt plus enter. Now choose import class. Okay, now again keep the cursor on it and press alt plus enter. Now context is your itself is the main activity. If your learn okay, so provide this main activity dot this. Okay, same is here, main activity dot this. Now it has been fine, but as you can see this code can be converted into the lambda expression, so just keep the cursor on it and press alt plus enter to make it lambda expression. Now it has been done. As you can see, we can show a toast message here that SDK is initialized, so that we may know whether it is initialized or not. So let's start it. Okay, let's start it. Use the function show toast. Create a string resource file. Go to resource. Wait, please. Okay, now go to values dimension.xml file. Sorry, string.xml file, and here you can create it. Okay, name it SDK initialize. Okay, mm, no, this one. there is a typo in the word. P I maybe this one. Yes, right. Okay. Now set the value to SDK initialize. Fine, fine. Okay. Now you have to pass it here. Get resources. Get string r dot string dot SDK initialized. This one. Okay. Now we have to run our app so that we may know whether our integration is successful or not. Okay. So connect the device. Give me some time, please. Go to the device manager and click on it. As you can see, it has been connected. And now run the app. Let me connect. The device has been connected. Now let's run. Click on the run app icon and open the app device. Please wait, it will take some time because we have added a heavy dependency from AppLovin SDK. So it will take some time. Let me show you the process of build. As you can see, it is not started yet. It is just started executing the task, not starting the building up the projects and downloading the files from dependency. So it will take around first time maybe sometimes. So let me pause the video. Please wait, it will take some time. Now it is built successful. Now let's check the app. As you can see, SDK initialized postage showing. It means our integration is successful. If you get any issue, so please feel free to contact me. Okay. For now, our integration part has been completed. I will meet you in the next video.